Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on today with a My Creative Time design team project. And today we were to use the cute card pocket add-ons. And so I am using this and this. And then also from her last release, I am using, I think it was the last release, Baking Up Love. This stamp set, and I'm using this Happy Holidays. And then this release, I'm using the Beautiful Basics. I'm using this green here. I am also using the Christmas greens, and I'm using this for like a birch tree in the back. I also use the cute card dies here, and I used the whole die set plus this. I mean the whole outer die plus this. And then I went to last year's Christmas release, and I broke out the Warm and Fuzzy Hugs, and I'm using this one right here. I had these already colored up, and that green just happened to match so perfectly with that, so I thought I would use that. I'm also using the dies to go with that. And then the snowball stitch frame, and I think I used this one just to cut around that piece there to create the same shape at the bottom, which I used that die, but used the snowball to cut it around there. But he's so super cute, and I thought it just perfect since I had colored that up in green. I thought the greens matched perfectly. There goes that Happy Holidays, and love the look of the birch trees in the back. Just too cute, and I did finish off the inside with another layer that I cut out and just laid it in there. And that is what I have for you this week, using the cute card pocket die add-ons. And so if you don't have that set, make sure you run over there and pick up that set. I really like that set. I love tags anyways, so that was right up my alley. All right, so I'll have My Creative Time channels linked down below, as well as my design team sisters. Check out the picture at the end, and you all have a blessed and crafty day.